Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about angles. But before we get into today's video, I've gotten a haircut. Alright, let's jump into the video. Angles are very important in geometry. Look, there are so many different types of angles. It can be overwhelming. But when you're done with this video, you're going to be an expert. Angles are formed by two rays. They are called arms. The vertex is where the two rays meet. So now we're going to be talking about the different types of angles. The first angle that we have up is the acute angle, and it is less than 90 degrees. Next, we have an obtuse angle, and the obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees, but it's less than 180 degrees. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. A complete angle is exactly 360 degrees. Now, let's talk about pairs of angles. When two straight lines intersect, vertical angles are formed. Here, A and B are vertical angles. Angles that share a vertex and a common side are adjacent angles. When two adjacent angles add up to 90 degrees, they are called complementary angles. When two angles add up to 180 degrees, we call them supplementary angles. Now, what's that? We're going to talk about parallel lines, the transversal, and the angles formed from them. When two parallel lines cut by the third line, which is the transversal, corresponding angles are formed at the matching corners. Now look at the right side. These angles occur on the opposite side of the transversal. They are called alternate angles. There are two types of alternate angles: alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. You can see the alternate interior angles are inside the parallel lines. The alternate exterior angles are outside of the parallel lines.
That's a lot of math.
Hang in there, we're almost done. Now let's solve some problems. Here, we have two adjacent angles. We need to find out what y is. First, are these complementary angles or supplementary angles? That's right, they're complementary angles. So to solve this, we add the two angles together. It's 90. 15y equals to 90. Y is 6. Let's look at this one. We have two supplementary angles here. What is y? So we can add the two angles to 180. We got the answer. Look at this. Can we solve the number of all angles? This might look complicated at first, but we can still do it. The orange angle and the 35-degree angle are vertical angles, so the orange angle has to be 35 degrees. Let's move the triangle out. We can find out that y is 75 degrees. The rest is pretty easy. In this problem, we have two intersecting lines forming four angles. What we know is that one angle is 35 degrees, while two angles contains y and x in them. We need to find out what y and x is, because 3x plus 5 and 35 are vertical angles, so they are congruent. So x equals to 10. Angle y minus 4 and 35 are supplementary angles. We add them up to make 180 degrees. So y would equal to 149 degrees.
Adele, enough already.
I hope we learned something together, and I hope you liked that video. Like and subscribe and share with your friends so they can learn too. Bye! Have a nice day!